Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a natural, relaxing, and effective way to lose weight, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the science of sauna weight loss. Can a sauna really help you burn fat? Does sweating mean you're losing weight? And what's the best way to use a sauna for fast weight loss results? Stick around because we're about to break it all down. Now let's jump right in. A sauna is a small room designed to expose your body to high temperatures, usually between 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 195 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 65 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius. This intense heat makes you sweat profusely, helping your body detoxify, relax, and potentially burn calories. There are different types of saunas. Traditional dry sauna uses heated rocks to warm the air. Steam sauna uses steam to create a humid environment. Infrared sauna uses infrared light to heat your body directly. Each type has unique benefits, but they all play a role in weight loss when used correctly. Chapter 2. How sauna helps in fast weight loss. Sauna helps burn calories. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that a 30-minute sauna session can burn as many calories as a 30-minute walk. This is because your body works hard to cool itself down, increasing your heart rate, metabolism, and energy expenditure. Detoxification and water weight loss. One of the biggest reasons people see quick weight loss after a sauna session is water weight loss. When you sweat, your body eliminates excess salt, toxins, and stored water, making you look and feel leaner instantly. But here's a warning. This is not permanent fat loss. It's temporary water weight loss, but it's a great way to kickstart your weight loss journey. Boosts metabolism for faster fat burning. Regular sauna use can actually increase your resting metabolic rate by up to 30% for several hours after your session. This means that even after you step out of the sauna, your body continues to burn calories. Reduces stress and lowers cortisol, the fat-storing hormone. High levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, can lead to stubborn belly fat and weight gain. Saunas help your body relax and lower cortisol levels, making it easier to burn fat and prevent weight gain. Bonus tips. I know how frustrating it can be to try everything, workouts, diets, even sauna sessions, and still struggle to see results. If you've ever felt stuck in your weight loss journey, you're not alone. That's why I want to share something that has truly helped people boost their metabolism and see real progress. It's called Midolin, a powerful supplement designed to support fat loss naturally. If you're serious about transforming your body, check out the link in the description. It might just be the breakthrough you've been looking for. Now, Chapter 3. Best ways to use a sauna for fast weight loss. Now that we know how saunas help with weight loss, let's talk about the best ways to use them for faster results. Use sauna after your workout. Studies show that using a sauna after a workout can help speed up fat loss and muscle recovery. Stay hydrated. Always drink plenty of water before and after your sauna session. This prevents dehydration and helps your body flush out toxins effectively. Combine sauna with cold therapy. Try alternating between the sauna and a cold shower or even an ice bath. This boosts circulation, burns more calories, and improves fat loss. Try an infrared sauna for deep fat burn. Infrared saunas heat your body from the inside out, helping you burn more fat than traditional saunas. Avoid eating right before a sauna session. Using a sauna on an empty stomach helps your body burn stored fat instead of focusing on digestion. How often should you use a sauna for weight loss? Well, let's dive into this topic and find out the optimal frequency for your sauna sessions. According to experts, if you're at a beginner level, aim for 2 to 3 times per week, spending about 15 to 20 minutes each session. For those at an intermediate level, 3 to 4 times per week for 25 to 30 minutes is ideal. And for the advanced users, 4 to 5 times per week for around 30 to 40 minutes. A little pro tip, start slow and increase gradually to avoid dehydration or overheating. So does using a sauna help with weight loss? Absolutely. When used correctly and consistently, it can help you burn extra calories, speed up metabolism, reduce bloating and water retention, and lower stress to balance hormones. Don't forget to check out the product link given in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more weight loss tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.